everybody, and welcome to a new video. Sorry, you had to listen to that. Hey everybody! In my last video I got super short bangs. And they're still very short and I still love them very much. But yeah, when I posted a video... When I posted a video, I got so many of you telling me that this would look like this hairstyle would look really good with black hair, and I'm gonna be honest, I can see what you're talking about. This would look fire with black hair. So therefore, I shall be dyeing my hair black today. Okay, not really. Got you. Sorry. I'm not gonna fully dye my hair black because look, I want my hair to be different colors, and black is just black. You're never gonna get black out of your hair, okay? The last time I dyed my hair black, I shaved it off right after. So I do not want to repeat that because I actually like having hair now. So what I am going to do instead is I'm going to use these bad boys. Spray on hair dye. I hope this is gonna be enough to cover my entire head. But yeah, these are like root retouch hair dye. So you basically spray them on your roots whenever you get like regrowth and you want to hide it and you don't want to dye it yet. So it is supposed to go on hair. It's supposed to not be permanent. Like you should be able to just wash it out right after. But it will make your hair black. I only bought 2 of these because they are weirdly expensive. Like I think these were like 12 euros per piece. But I also have like this spray on hair dye, which is like for parties and stuff, and this was only 150 per piece, but they didn't have black, so I had to get the more expensive stuff. But hopefully this is also gonna make it look more natural. So yeah, let's make my hair black. Hello. God, I just looked straight into the sun while filming the intro and now I'm like blind. My eyes need to adjust. Anyways, okay, so this is my hair right now. I haven't washed it in, I don't know, probably over a week, so it looks a bit dirty. Also, yeah, I think I just need to cut my hair again. Even though I really want to have, God, everything is in there. Everything is in frame. I really want to have long hair, but the ends, I keep cutting the ends and the ends just keep dying, like time and time again. It's kind of annoying. So maybe I just have to like cut it short and just get extensions. I don't know. I don't know what to do. So yeah, okay. For the hair, I think it will look best when it's straightened. So let me just straighten my hair first, which by the way, I almost never do anymore because I'm trying to be nicer to my hair, but it's still dead, but that's okay. Whoa, that looks crazy. That actually does not look good at all. That looks so flat. Wait, maybe I should just... Wait, what the hell? That was so flat. Just quickly straighten my hair a bit, even though, yeah, maybe this doesn't even look better with straight hair, but I'm just here to experiment, you know? I'm just here to check it out a bit. My hair is straightish right now. So yeah, for the hair dye, I'm using these. These are the xoxo Root Retouch Temporary Root Cover Spray. I don't know how much this will actually cover my hair. So maybe like once I'm finished with the first bottle, I can see how much I actually did with it. And if it's not gonna be enough, I'll just like tie some of my hair in the back so I don't have to dye that. We'll figure it out. Gotta shake first. Shaky, 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 shaky. Shaky, 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 shaky. So yeah, my hair is so dirty. My hair is so greasy. But it makes it look healthier, so not too mad about it. It does have like a small nozzle, so that, I don't know, maybe it's gonna make it a little bit more difficult, but we'll see. Oh my god. I don't think this is gonna work at all, but okay. Whoa, that is so black. Oh my god. Look at that. I was thinking of like covering my entire hair, but maybe I should just only cover like the top part of my hair. Cause yeah, I won't be able to like do everything in between here. Maybe I get a little, can I like comb it through? Wait, let me see if I can like rub it in my hair. Oh my god. This better get out of my hair once I'm done with it. I'm just gonna take some of the hair and just tie it in the back because I don't think this is gonna be enough hair dye at all. That's crazy! That works so well! Do I like it though? I'm not sure. Let's just go onto the other side. Oh my god! It's like raccoon tails! That actually looks fire. Oh my god! I just sprayed it all over my body! This stuff is hard to use. Also, it's like super cold. What's up with that? Oh! Why do I keep doing that? I low-key like really like it with the bangs still blue. That's kind of a vibe. God, I'm really putting the wrong ideas in my head right now. I guess most of the hair is done now, so we just gotta do the bangs. Also, I'm still on my first bottle, so maybe I can even do the hair that I put in the back. Because now my hair looks kind of, I mean, I guess kind of cute. It's just a lot shorter now. Yeah, let's do the bangs. Ugh. The gases that are coming from this bottle are not healthy to inhale, like, at all. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm just gonna empty out the entire bottle of my hair. Oh god, this actually looks terrible. Oh my god. Oh, that was hard. Okay, so I guess my hair is black now, but so is my entire body. So let me just see if I can get this off, because I'm not feeling the full effect yet. Because also my micro bangs, like, they just got like a couple centimeters longer because my forehead is just, oh god, that's not good. Okay, let me see if I can clean it. Oh, I feel like that goes fairly easy. I should have probably worn one of those like plastic face shields, you know, those COVID face shields. I guess that would have been easier, but it does get off pretty easy. Wait, let me see my hand. See? That's a good sign. Okay, let me just clean my body off and then we can have the full effect, because this is making it look weird. Okay, it's making it look weird. I'll be right back. Hey, I clean my body, but it just keeps staining everything because it isn't stain proof. Like the moment you touch it, it just gets everywhere. So I just keep cleaning my body and it keeps getting dirty. So I decided I'm just gonna stop trying because there's no point. But yeah, this is the end result of me with black hair. I also did some makeup because I thought it would look good with the hair. I think this might be my least favorite hair color on me ever. I don't know, I just don't think black hair looks good on me. I always thought that. Like I've dyed my hair black once and I actually did not like how it looked back then either. I just feel like it doesn't work. I feel like it's just too intense. I don't know. I don't know. Also, yeah, it looks kind of fake because it's literally just like one tone of like intense black. So it just looks like it's like drawn on. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not vibing with it at all. So it looks weird. Like whenever it goes up. Like normally I do appreciate a little bit of volume, but now I have a butt on my head. What is that? That normally doesn't look that weird, and now that it's black it looks insane. That needs to be flat. Lord Farquaad looking ass. No, yeah, I'm very happy that I didn't dye my hair with actual hair dye, because I would have cried. Because I don't like this at all. Look at the back of my hair. Isn't that gorgeous? So now I'm gonna see if I can wash it out. Because that is kind of the question. I feel like it should be fine, but I don't know. Let's see if I can do that. Because I want this gone. Okay, here we go. Oh. Bruh. Oh, thank God. I thought it wasn't coming out. Okay, let me get some shampoo because this is... I thought it was gonna rinse out like immediately, but it's not really moving as much as I thought it was gonna. Please, for the love of God. Help. Okay. Oh my God. I got so scared. It's coming out. I think it's coming out. Thank God. Thank the Lord. Hey, I got out of the shower and it is, well, okay, look, it's not completely rinsed out of my hair because apparently I do not know how to wash my hair because it's still, yeah, over here. You can't really see that on camera, I guess, but it's still a little bit in there. I guess, I mean, I hope it's not stained and I just didn't wash my hair enough. But other than that, it's all gone and I feel like myself again. I don't think I'll ever dye my hair black again. Maybe. Oh my God. I'm looking at my wall and I just realized I sprayed my white walls black. See that on camera? Oh my God. Look at all those. Why did I do that? I should have... Why am I like this? I should have known that was gonna happen. Okay, well, thank you all for watching this video. I'm just gonna try to clean my walls. God, it's gonna be so hard to do. It's just gonna make it work. Oh. Should I just leave it? No, that'd be weird. Okay, I'm just gonna figure out the situation over there. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching and up to you next time. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.